Trill, Hyyer, co-living. You see the logo on the mat, cop that. Quick flows and balance, arm balance, along with leg balance, no head balance. We'll start with quick vinyasa flow. Feet together, arms to the side, fingers wide, chin at the horizon. Everything stacked. Inhale, lift the arms, curve the spine. Exhale, forward fold, pull in. Right, left. Try to bring it down, swing upward. Feet long, tuck the toes, roll into downward. Soften the heels. Peel the feet, again, it's quick flows. Good stretch, but make sure the form is proper. Swing the hips side to side. Raise the gaze. Now step up right, step up left. Into a stand, inhale, lift. Exhale, fold, pull the body in, legs straight. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, down. Bend the knees, hands down, step back left, step back right. Again, same thing, chaturanga halfway down. Inhale, swing upward, feet long. Exhale, lower the gaze, push the hips all the way to the ceiling, soften the heels. Raise the gaze, step up left, step up right. Come to a stand, inhale, lift. Exhale, fold, pull in. Inhale, halfway. Exhale. Bend the knees, hands down, step up onto the ball of the left foot. Make sure everything's square, align the left arm and right leg, open to the right, stack the shoulders. Gazing at the right thumb. Fold the right arm behind the back. Pull in for a deeper twist. Right hand to the mat, push the torso up tall for a high lunge. Shoulders and hips square to the front, spine tall. Inhale, exhale, drop the left knee down, hands to hips. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, hands to the ceiling, exhale to the mat. Raise the gaze, push the warrior three. Options are arms are forward, heart center, or behind to the side, hips are flat. Spine is aligned with the leg, left leg is aligned with the spine. Hands to the floor, bring your right hand up and then step to the right. Open the left hip on top of right, left hand to the ceiling, gazing at the thumb for half moon. Deep breaths. Left hand down, coming onto the ball of the left foot, step up with the left. Come to a stand, inhale, lift, curve the spine. Exhale, forward fold, pull in. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, down. Bend the knees, hands down, step back with the right. Align the right arm and left leg, open to the left. Fold the left arm behind the back, relax the shoulder, twist and pull. Even flow of breath, left hand to the ceiling, inhale. Exhale to the mat, and push the torso up tall. Make sure your left knee is stacked on your left ankle. Spine is erect. Hands to hips, inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hands to ceiling. Hands to the mat. Raise the gaze. Inhale. Exhale into warrior three. Again, arms back, behind, or to heart center, or out in front. Right leg's aligned with the spine, slight bend of the left knee, finding the balance. Hands to the floor or mat, left hand up and to the left, open the right hip on top of left. Now y'all heard that pop. Right hand to the ceiling, stacking the shoulders. Right hand to the mat, coming onto the ball of the right, step back with the left. Push into downward. Now we're going to walk the feet all the way back up. As we we end our quick flow. As we're sitting, we're gonna inhale, exhale, drop all the way down, pull yourself in. Coming all the way up slowly. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, lift the arms and gaze. Exhale, give a curve to the spine. Coming back up, inhale. Exhale to the left. Keeping the hips and shoulders stacked. Drop the right ear to the shoulder, inhale up. Exhale to the right. Doing the same, right ear to right shoulder. Inhale up. Exhale, hands to heart. Shoulders back and down. And today ends the session. Like I said, quick flows, vinyasa flow, right, left. We did the balance on right, left, high lunge, warrior 3, half moon, and spinal twist. I hope you like it, I hope you enjoy it. I know you did, I know you need it, because I've been missing. No, I haven't. I'm still doing it, I'm still posting, we're still going. Remember, peace, not apart, together, and intertwined like the design is divine. Stay thirsty. Stay true, my friends. Stay true.